Welcome to Cooking with Billy. So I'm gonna make a turkey and cheese sandwich today because I heard the chef wanted one, and I also heard he likes it with the side of Pop-Tarts. So we're gonna do that later. First, you gotta get the bread and the marrow and all the other stuff. Like this. Oh, what's this? I can do this. Alright, here we go. Now I think the next step is to put it on the turkey. And now the cheese. Alright, and now a little trick with the mayo. Alright, there we go. Now to flip the two breads onto each other. Good enough. Alright, now time to make the Pop-Tarts. Alright, I got the Pop-Tarts in already, and I heard he likes fudge Pop-Tarts, so let's begin. Now I just have to wait.
Oh, I don't see Billy, but these Pop-Tarts look delicious. Oh, that is so hot!
Alright, here we are, the Pop-Tarts. Now, I just gotta get them onto the plate. Alright, just give me a second. Alright, I got the food ready. I'm gonna go see if the chef likes it. Alright, there you go.
Wait, look, you interrupted my publicity!
Oh, but I have to give you your food.
Oh, thank you. I think I'm gonna try the sandwich. Pretty good, Billy.
Oh, thanks.
I'm gonna try those Pop-Tarts. That's super good, Billy.
Oh, thanks.
What, I don't want it anymore? I'm already full.
Oh, man.